Finding and securing high-value clients doesn't have to involve uncomfortable cold calls or sending endless messages that go unanswered. In today's digital landscape, clients are drawn to professionals who build trust, demonstrate authority, and consistently provide value. When you focus on inbound strategies, strong personal branding, and strategic content marketing, you naturally attract clients who are already interested and ready to work with you, without hard selling. This guide explores modern, proven ways to generate quality leads, build genuine relationships, and convert prospects into premium clients while staying authentic. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or business owner, you'll learn how to create a system that brings clients to you organically, allowing your expertise and credibility to do the selling for you. Content marketing is one of the most effective ways to build authority and position yourself as an industry leader. By consistently sharing valuable, educational, and original content, you shape how your brand is perceived. Authority isn't about posting more often. It's about offering insights that genuinely help your audience solve problems and make better decisions. When people trust your content, they're far more likely to trust your services. High-value content goes beyond written posts. Videos, infographics, podcasts, and social media content all play a role in reaching and engaging your audience. The most effective content combines clear insights, simple explanations, and real-world relevance. When your content speaks directly to what your audience is searching for and struggling with, it attracts attention and encourages action naturally. Creating strong content is only part of the process. Visibility is just as important. Sharing your content across multiple platforms helps expand your reach and reinforce your expertise. Repurposing one piece of content into different formats, such as turning a blog into short videos or social posts, keeps your message consistent and visible. This multi-platform approach strengthens your authority, builds familiarity, and increases the likelihood that potential clients will find and trust you. Effective networking is about building meaningful relationships, not just collecting contacts. When you focus on adding value and genuinely helping others in your field, trust develops naturally. Participating in industry events, professional groups, and thoughtful discussions increases your visibility and positions you as someone worth knowing and remembering. Successful networking combines both online and offline efforts. Digital platforms make it easy to connect with professionals and decision-makers, while in-person events allow for deeper, more personal conversations. Using both approaches together helps you expand your reach while strengthening the quality of your connections. The real power of networking comes from consistency and follow-through. Staying in touch, sharing useful resources, and looking for ways to collaborate keeps relationships active. When you support others and show genuine interest in their success, networking turns into long-term opportunities, referrals, and partnerships that contribute to sustainable growth. Referral marketing is one of the most powerful and cost-effective ways to grow your client base. People naturally trust recommendations from friends, colleagues, or peers far more than traditional advertising. When satisfied clients share their positive experiences, it builds instant credibility, increases trust, and leads to higher quality prospects who are more likely to convert and stay long-term. To generate referrals consistently, you need a simple and structured system. Encourage referrals by offering clear incentives, such as discounts, bonuses, or exclusive perks. Make it easy for clients to refer you by providing shareable links, short messages, or referral guidelines. When the process feels effortless, clients are far more likely to participate. Tracking and rewarding referrals is just as important as asking for them. Monitoring who refers new clients and which incentives perform best helps you refine your approach. Acknowledging and thanking clients for referrals, whether through rewards or personal appreciation, strengthens relationships and encourages ongoing advocacy. Over time, this turns loyal clients into active promoters who help your business grow naturally. A well-optimized website is the foundation of attracting quality leads online. Improving your search visibility through relevant keywords, clear metadata, and fast loading pages helps the right people find you. Pairing strong SEO with a clean, user-friendly design keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to take action, whether that's signing up for updates or booking a consultation. Effective websites guide visitors toward conversion through focused landing pages. Clear messaging, compelling visuals, and simple calls to action make it easy for visitors to understand what you offer and what to do next. Offering lead magnets such as free guides, webinars, or consultations adds value and encourages visitors to share their contact information. When your content matches what your audience is actively looking for, the leads you attract are more qualified and ready to engage. Optimizing your website is an ongoing process. Tracking performance helps you understand what works and what needs improvement. Reviewing visitor behavior, testing different messages, and refining calls to action allow you to steadily improve results. Over time, a data-driven approach ensures your website consistently attracts high-quality leads and supports long-term business growth. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more accounting tips.